Here's something you can try if you're looking to clear the Bluetooth settings or Bluetooth app cache or storage on your Samsung phone with Android 14. If you want to clear the cache or the app storage of the Bluetooth, you'll use the quick access here and go into the settings, tap on this here one time. Once you're here in this section here on your Samsung phone, you want to go down to where it says apps. So you're looking for the apps section. Once you see apps, you'll be here. Then you'll notice right there in this section here where it says your apps, right here where my finger is pointing, tap on that one time. This menu is going to pop up and you want to select Show System Apps. Once you do this, press OK. Then now you can use the search. Okay, you'll notice the amount of your apps has changed to a higher number. Use the search here and search Bluetooth. So just go ahead and type that in. And you're going to notice there is 3 different Bluetooth apps. And one of them might also have a different name to it. So you might get 4 in total. But if you go to the original one here and you want to go into the storage to clear it out, you'll notice that you can't really do anything to it. So what I would recommend is coming out of here and search for the Bluetooth. And you'll go to the Bluetooth agent. You can try this one here for yourself and let me know in the comments section if that's gonna work. So go to storage and you'll be able to clear the cache and the data for that. So clear the cache, then clear the data as well. Doing this basically will not erase or remove your Bluetooth settings at all. Then you wanna do this one more time for the other one. So just try that out. Go to the MIDI service here and do the same thing again. So go to storage, go to clear data, and that should help you with your storage and clear out the cache, kind of giving it a refresh in terms of the Bluetooth settings for your Samsung phone here. Okay, so I was gonna type in Samsung. All right, so Bluetooth and then go in here into it and just kind of go back and see if there's any much of a difference, or you can always check the Bluetooth settings and see if that worked for you. And let me know so that others could know that it does work, all right? And if you have any suggestions, leave it in the comments section. I'll like and sub.